Listen to the story, kids I have. There was a tubby and there was a rap. Tubby was slow and everyone knew that rap was like a fighter jet. One day, hello, hi, hello. Can you dare to beat me, slow fellow? Tubby felt teased and sad.
Enough is enough making fun every day. Listen carefully what I say. I'll beat you in race, I swear today.
Race? With me? Nice joke, you slow fellow. And decided to race. All the animals were shocked. How will Tubby win? That's all they thought. Next fine morning, in the bright sunshine, Tubby and Rap were near the start line. Run! It's so fun! Catch me, Tubby, if you can! 1, 2, 3, go! Rap went far away in no time, and Tubby moved slowly and steadily. But that is not fine. How will he win the race? Half of the race. Tubby must be near the start line. It is so cold and I am feeling tired. Then why not to have a nap? Soon, Rap was into a deep sleep. Was walking steadily, smiling and singing happily. Tubby won the race and Rap made sad face. You will face. Slow and steady wins the race. so hard. There is one more lake. But where is the lake? Lake is only there. Across this mountain where blows fresh air.
You poor pigeons! Would you like to have more grains?
Join your hands, come fly high together. Let's get far away from the hunter's eye.
Hey, look, look, look! Have a look! Pigeons flew all together. The net was hooked in their foot.
They all flew down to the ground and called Greet the mouse. You are in a problem and feel tensed. Always remember, unity is strength. In a bright, shiny day, when everything was good, a lion was sleeping in a deep, deep woods. Suddenly, a timid mouse ran across the lion's nose. Lion woke up. He laid his huge paw on the tiny mouse to kill him. Please forgive me, you mighty king. One day I shall repay you something.
You will repay me to the king of jungle.
As the lion was generous and too kind, he freed the little mouse and changed his mind.
you poor king of forest. How will you manage to free yourself?
Lion was trying harder to get free from the net. Little Mouse heard the loud roaring. Oh, this is Lion King's voice. I think he's in trouble. I must go and help him. Soon, a mouse found the lion struggling in the net.
Oh, little mouse, save me, please.
Don't worry, are you? Jungle King. I'm here to be happy and sing. He ran to the great ropes that bound the lion. He licked it until it parted. Soon the lion was free. What I said came true today. Now everything was fine. There is one more thing to say. Kindness is never wasted anyway.
Oh, my friend Krano! It's been so long. I'm so happy to see you. Let's celebrate and have dinner together at my house today. Can't wait for the tasty dishes. Maybe I'll have some yummy fishes. Isn't the soup tasty? Why are you not having more? Open the door. Come, friend. Can't wait anymore. Have your dinner.
Don't be clever, don't be cheap. As you sow, so shall you reap.